Educator expenses. Educator expenses may be deductible. If the taxpayer is an eligible educator, they can deduct up to $250 of qualified expenses as an adjustment to gross income. Now, if the taxpayer is filing jointly with their spouse and both are eligible educators, then that maximum deduction is $500, but neither spouse is able to deduct more than $250 of qualified expenses. So, the questions we have here is who are an eligible educator and what are qualified expenses? Well, an eligible educator is a kindergarten through grade 12 teacher, instructor, counselor, principal, or aide who worked in a school for at least 900 hours during a school year. Okay, so that's the definition of who is an eligible educator. And qualified expenses include ordinary and necessary expenses paid in connection with books, supplies, equipment, which includes computer equipment, software, and services, and other materials that are used in the classroom. Qualified expenses do not include the cost for homeschooling or non-athletic supplies for courses in health or physical education. Okay, so somebody who works 900 hours as a teacher, instructor, counselor, principal, or aide, and those qualified expenses, ordinary and necessary expenses that are for materials used in the classroom.